Ебать! Ебать!
The Ukrainian Defense Forces have launched a missile attack on a chemical plant in Bryansk, Russia. This facility produces explosives and ammunition. This was reported by the Astra Telegram channel, which cited local residents. The Bryansk chemical plant specializes in the production of industrial explosives, processing of expired ammunition, and manufacturing products for the Russian Ministry of Defense. Videos posted by local residents on social media show numerous powerful explosions and the fire. Based on the published videos, one of the Dnipro-Osint members independently determined that the strike occurred on the territory of the Bryansk chemical plant. The governor of the Bryansk Oblast, Alexander Bogomas, confirmed the attack, but claimed that air defense destroyed all targets. The Kyiv regime made a massive attempt to launch a combined missile attack on the territory of the Bryansk Oblast. The air defense forces of the Russian Ministry of Defense destroyed all targets, he said. In addition to the missile strike, local residents also recorded UAV flights during the attack. The plant has the production base and technical potential to manufacture more than 50 types of ammunition and 15 types of explosives. In 2023, it was reported that the plant was engaged in the outfitting, assembly, and repair of various ammunition sent for Russian troops. One of the key activities of the enterprise is the assembly of products for MLRS and their modifications. In particular, the plant carries out major repairs of Uragan products and has mastered new modifications of Tornado G products. As of 2020, the plant was also mastering the technology for the overhaul of Grad products. This is not the first attack on this enterprise, but it is the first one involving missile weapons. Prior to this, at least 5 attacks using UAVs were reported on October 13th, November 14th, and 21st, December 30th, 2023, and April 5th, 2024. Russian media also reported that the debris of a HIMARS missile fell on the territory of the Kremny L microelectronics plant in Bryansk. A column of smoke is visible from different parts of the city.
Внимание! Брянская область. Ракетная опасность. Ракетная опасность. По возможности спуститесь в подвал или укройтесь в помещении без окон. Внимание!
Это ракеты бьют.
Мы текаем, ёб рот. Варим, я хули его снимаю, поехали.
Едь, не едь, от судьбы не уйдешь. 7-й, 8-й, 9-й. А какая разница?
Где? Уже 10 штук, 11. Там завод не...
Глянь. Глянь.
Прилетно. Обесточено. Завод прям мощный. Рядом. 12, 13. Еще. 14. Еще одна. Завод. Заходили? Подъезд. Встань. Да не дай бог, что день над нами собьют. Еще.
Ты можешь молчать? Я хочу заснять за собой.
Ну что ты заснимешь? Полгорода там без света. Все части.
The National Guard of Ukraine's Khartia Brigade burned an enemy T-80 in the Kharkiv region. Ukraine has also successfully captured a significant number of T-80 tanks from Russian forces since the war escalated in 2022. These tanks are often refurbished and redeployed to Ukrainian units. A road of death with a bunch of destroyed Russian equipment.
Неделю назад здесь бои были. Неделя. 4 дня назад. Всех техники. Это был квадрик. Охуеть. Вон кто-то, блядь, спальник проебал.
БМП. Боевая машина пехоты. Была. Все, что от нее осталось. Но уже вот так вот разъебывают все нахуй. Это он. Таблеточка. Таблеточка была. Так вот разъебашивают.
Вот где мы.
Ну да.
Эхо войны.
А это вот начало дорога смерти. Не знаю, там
Господи,
будет.
помоги нам.
Ну да, вот это все нам еще ебашить, ебашить и ебашить. Это все так оно. Ладно. Дальше еще посниму.
The Russians are struggling to comprehend why, in the third year of the war, their so-called superpower consistently fails to stop massive waves of Ukrainian drones and remains incapable of countering them effectively. They are now searching for someone to blame. A massive drone strike on Russia, over 200 units. Widespread debris falls on industrial facilities. The score favors the adversary. This raises just one question for me. Why does the Russian Aerospace Forces General Staff even exist? What's its purpose? It conducts no air offensives, no operations to gain air superiority, and so on. A couple of divisional commanders would suffice to launch missile strikes and deliver FABs with guided bombs to targets. So, what are the dozens of VKS generals doing? Writing paperwork? But then, who will defend the country's skies? We have the largest number of anti-aircraft missile systems in the world, the third largest fighter force globally, a whole fleet of AWACS aircraft, dozens of radars, and yet we face daily breakthroughs and strikes by slow-moving Ukrainian UAVs on our facilities. This clearly shows that the VKS orchestra, to put it mildly, is in disarray, a cacophony. The third year of the war is nearing its end, and there are very specific questions for the VKS generals. Where are the radar networks capable of detecting enemy air threats at extremely low altitudes? Where is the air defense fighter aviation specialized in intercepting such targets? What about air defense helicopters, light air defense fighters, or radar-equipped aerostats? Where are the rapid-fire anti-aircraft gun modules capable of automatically detecting and engaging targets? Where is the unified air defense system for the country? Who is responsible for the aerial protection of our cities? Where is the organization of a localized air defense system, e.g., creating a dedicated department within the Air Defense Command or establishing such a department in another security agency like the Ministry of Emergency Situations or the National Guard? Who is personally responsible for the country's air defense? I've said it before and will say it again. We are incredibly lucky that our air defense system is being stress-tested by the outdated and war-weary Ukrainian Air Force. If NATO's aviation group were in their place, the outcome would be devastating.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.